Over 2,500 years ago, in ancient Greece, a man named Pythagoras became fascinated with numbers and shapes. He studied a special triangle, the right-angled triangle, where one corner is exactly 90 degrees. He noticed something remarkable. The longest side, which we call the hypotenuse, had a unique relationship with the other two sides, the adjacent and the opposite. When he drew a square on each side of the triangle, he found that the two smaller squares together were always equal to the big square on the hypotenuse. This simple rule, written as a squared plus b squared equals c squared, became known as the Pythagorean Theorem. And even today, the discovery of an ancient Greek philosopher still supports the world we build, from temples and bridges construction, to navigation systems and GPS, and even satellites orbiting far above us. Here's an example for Pythagoras application. Imagine placing a ladder against a wall. If the wall is 12 feet and the base of the ladder is 5 feet away from the wall, Pythagoras' theorem shows us the ladder itself must be 13 feet long, because 12 squared plus 5 squared equals 144 plus 25. Which equals to 169. The length of the ladder will be the square root of 169, which equals to 13. The ladder is 13 feet long.